guys, welcome back to another video. This morning I'm headed over to Mission Bay Park. I think it's around Mission Bay Park, somewhere down by SeaWorld. There's a little Honda meet going on. A little Honda meet, or a big Honda meet, I don't know what it is. There's a meet going on, Vtec car meet. So I just had the night off last night and I decided, hey, I'm gonna wake up early and go check it out. Go see some cars. Found some boys on the street. Damn guys, this place is already packed. It's not even 8 yet. All the Type R's right here. Damn. Look at this. What? Oh, I think I'm gonna park over here. Gotta watch out with those potholes. Fuck. Oh no, guys, look at this. We got our freaking popos right here. Wannabe popos. Damn. Original emblem and everything. I'll just look for a different spot. Get some more rides right here. Should I park right here? I don't want to be like the loner over here. Oh shit! I had to come check that one out. Look guys, found my twins. This one actually looks a little bit more like mine. It has that one lip. This one has a CR lip. Woo! Yep. Beauties. Let's see what else we can find. I wish he could have still had the fog lights on there for the carbon. Yeah, because there's supposed to be fog lights right there. Yeah. Super clean. Type R. State ref. Hell yeah. Damn, he needs a little bit of a re-clear on his hood. Oh, I really want these end ducts right here, but I don't know if I want to cut my bumper. They look really nice. And then these wheels though. These things are sick. Looks like Nardo gray, huh? Ooh, got a little air duct right here. Damn. Alright guys, I'm about to take off. There's a ton of Hondas here. A bunch of nice ones. Look at these. Damn. There's a bunch of cars. It started getting pretty hot and I haven't had anything to eat, so ready to go home. It's the meets like this that make me happy that I still have a Honda. Well, look. I'm headed to O'Reilly's. I gotta pick up some acetone because I want to get started on the side spats for the R32, and I need acetone to pretty much clean the gun after every spray. Okay guys, so here is my old acetone and here's the new one. That way I have enough to clean the gun after. And here are the side spats. So gonna be painting these today, adding the primer. I might add the paint as well just to get it over with. That way they're ready to go for the next time that I touch these. Now I just got to get everything else ready. First I'm going to sand them down. 1200 should be fine. Give them a quick little sanding and then it should be ready for the primer. I just finished spraying the parts. Check it out guys, not too bad. Just waiting for them to dry a little bit more. Check that out. Is that the gunmetal gray for the R32? I don't know, it looks like it. Everything seemed to have come out all right. Not too bad. So now I'm just waiting for these to dry a little bit longer before adding the clear coat, and then the rest will just be time for the clear coat to dry before putting these on the car. It's gonna look so good with the side spats. Too bad that my R32 didn't come with the side spats, or else I would have been happy. I always use shop line clear coat. It's a 2-to-1 ratio. This stuff will bring out the shine on those Nismo side spats. It's gonna look good. Finally all done, painted, clear coated. These things came out pretty good. I'm super happy with the way they came out. I'm gonna put them up to the car just to see if they match. Hopefully they match because they're already painted. Either way, I did order the paint specifically for the R32 gunmetal gray. Let's see how close the paint is from the OEM original paint job. There might be a slight difference in color just because this one is brand new and the other one is a 30-year-old paint job, but guess we'll find out. Since I am out here moving these parts, I might as well show you guys how they look in the sun. Check that out. I'm almost 100% sure this is the exact same paint. It's gonna look pretty close. Damn, this thing shines so much.